Welcome to part 2 of our ultimate budget vlogging kit. If you haven't seen part 1, I'm gonna put the link right here and you can head back, check that out, and then I'll see you back here in a minute. So in this video, we're gonna be unboxing the Smooth 4 by Zhiyun, the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and the simple vlog and selfie flip screen mirror attachment.
Sit down and emotions feel like I never did before.
So I'm just gonna fast forward through this first part. We're starting off with the Smooth 4 gimbal stabilizer. And here's all the stuff that nobody reads, but you probably should read so you don't end up being like me. And here's a nice microfiber cloth for cleaning. Let's get right into the good stuff, guys. Here, I'm gonna open it up and show you what's inside. It is beautiful. It's amazing. The packaging is amazing. Everything is amazing. I'm really excited about this product and we're gonna use it a whole lot. So here's a basic overview of what comes in the box. This is a stand, so if you're gonna do a still shot, you can connect this to your gimbal. This is the charging cord. That's kind of self-explanatory. And here's the Smooth 4 itself. I'm just messing around with stuff that I probably shouldn't have been messing around with, but here it is. It's beautiful. It feels great in the hand. It's not too heavy, and it feels like it's gonna be a breeze to use. So once I figure it out, I'll come back and give you guys the full review. So I'm just gonna show you how the phone fits in there, and once I get it in there, you'll see, and there it is. That's all. Pretty cool, but not that amazing. But as you can see, this is the GoPro 7. It says it has a gimbal-like hyper smooth stabilization. It's 12 megapixels, 4K at 60 frames per minute or per second. I think that's what that means. And it's waterproof for up to 33 feet. And it can also do live streaming. So what more do you need as a vlogger? It does have a mic. It does have 8x slow-mo. It has HDR, GPS. As I said, live streaming, waterproof. And it has a touch screen. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. Okay. So to open it, get down here. Cool packaging, huh? So opening it, there's not much to say about opening it. I'm probably gonna fast forward this part. Just there we go. And this was important to me. We did want a screen on the front, but you're gonna see why we didn't get that. We didn't get the GoPro 8. You can attach a flip screen. This you can't. Reason why we didn't get that, because of price. But this one, instead of the GoPro 6, has the battery life here, and we want to know if we're recording. We want to know if it's about to die. All that stuff is important to us. So that's another reason why we chose the GoPro 7. I feel like I sound really weird on camera, guys. So I hope I don't sound too weird today. So I'm sure that is a shutter. I mean, here's the power button. This might be the mic. I am not sure. So, oh, crap. I'm gonna cut that out. My husband's not gonna like that I did that. Whoops. Okay, let me read the instructions as I said, right? So, while you guys look at that, and I fast forward and go, or should I open this on camera? What comes in the box? Because this is an unboxing. Exciting stuff. It's a GoPro card, and it says plus on the back. It tells you, yes, I'm right. How to open this thing, huh? How to put the battery on, huh? How to get this on your helmet, huh? Lots of cool stuff, guys. Okay. Need help? Talk or chat with a GoPro expert at gopro.com/answers. Thank you. And oh, they're like an Apple product. Guess when you're expensive, you gotta give out stickers. That's how you know it's official. There we go. So inside here is the battery. Oops. Okay, here's some stuff. And we got the 3M VHB, whatever this is, the tape, sticky, the double-sided tape. So I'm guessing this is to mount it on different surfaces. Cool. Last but not least, a USB charger. And it has a GoPro name. Yeah. There we go. So I do think that's it. Yes. Nothing else in there. So nice packaging. Hey guys, look. This is the same. So if you're thirsty, you could cut this off. You could totally take this off. And like, do something with it. Ha! Okay, that's a hack. You heard it here. It for my GoPro unboxing? Or is it? No, it's not. Because we had instructions on how to get this thing going. So, step 1. This thing here. Okay. Step 1, this thing here. I'm still going. Step 1, this thing here. Let's go. You see, I don't want to break it. Right? I don't want to break it. So I'm right. Okay, just go, Jody. Just go. Step 1, just go. Alright, guys, I am failing. I cannot open this thing, so see? I'm gonna have to call for backup. Don't worry, guys, I'm calling the big daddy. Yeah, I'm totally recording, and I have like probably a whole 2 minutes. Look, my camera has instructions on how to open this part right here. Alright guys, we'll see if you can do it. See? That's why you have a husband, guys. Get married.
Using me, I see there.
I'm using you?
Yeah.
Ladies, use your husbands. Okay. Should just made him stay, right? Because. Okay, so now we do that. Get out of there! Really? If I call him back, I'm going to be so embarrassed. Oh, there we go. There we go. Ha ha ha. Okay, so I'm back. And I got it charged. There we go. That's what it looks like. It seems to be much wider than my phone. Well, it is definitely wider than my phone would be. So here's the phone right in front of the screen. Here's a GoPro right in front of the screen. Come here.
What?
Yes, you can. But just say, hey, B family.
Hey, B family.
Say, what's up?
What's up?
All right. Go play with tablet, baby. Okay, so let me see if I can straighten this. So this right here is the simple vlog and selfie mirror attachment for the GoPro. I'm gonna close this box up and just leave it back here looking really cute. It says, thank you for choosing our products. We hope you will be back. You know what? I really can't read. We hope you will be happy to use our products. Start making stuff up. So we have two things in here. I'm gonna open this one first. So okay, so this clearly goes onto something. I believe the GoPro. Okay, so I have my GoPro is actually charging, so I'm just gonna mess around with the housing case here. Forgive me, people, read instructions, it helps you. There we go. I see. Do you see that? That looks like that. So you screw this off and put it onto this. Very neat. Okay, so it does tell you what it is. It's for demonstration purposes. I'm gonna so I don't know when it stopped recording, so I'm gonna make sure I put that we installed the GoPro housing case here because my GoPro is charging. We just opened it. I did not get the GoPro 8, which has a flip screen mod. So what we did get is this, and this right here is a mirror. So really don't want to be in this video because I am a mess. So basically you'll hold this on your gimbal. Thank you guys for checking out my unboxing video. I will be back with more, and this is just the beginning for the B family. We are upgrading and getting better. Remember to like this video if you want some more unboxing videos. Make a comment if I missed anything or if there's anything that you want to see. And remember to subscribe to the B family. Alrighty, thanks for watching our video.